So, good day everyone! Once again, this is your sales consultant, Daryl James Foronda. This is a promo update lang ng ating Expander GLS 2025 and quick review ng ating unit. So, welcome sa ating TikTok account and YouTube account. So, let's start. I guess Expander is naka-dynamic shield front fascia na naka-horizontal and honeycomb grill. Napaka-angas tignan tsaka futuristic guys. Naka T-shape LED headlight, naka daytime running light, nakatulad nito. Then, naka fog light. So just imagine this is a mid variant lang pero equipped na ng mga ganong specs. Then, naka 17-inch na two-tone, naka high ground clearance na 225mm. Tapos napaka-komportable pagdating sa riding comfort. Naka MacPherson strut na with coil spring stabilizer bar yung kanyang front shock. Sa likod naman is torsion beam. Then naka disc brake yung harap. Drum brake yung likod na equipped ng ABS at saka ABD. Naka keyless entry tulad nito. Naka retractable ang kanyang side mirror na may turn signal light na integrated tulad nito. So just imagine for mid variant na katulad nitong unit na to. Pagdating sa interior, hindi rin naman papahuli. Naka-automatic yung kanyang mga side mirrors. Then yung kanyang lock is naka-central door lock. Ito yung adjustment ng ating side mirror. Naka 3-spoke leather wrap with audio remote control, hands-free button, and cruise control. So, just imagine, for only 5,000 all-in down payment, mapapasa nyo itong ating Expander GLS. Yung kanyang class meter is combination ng digital tsaka analog. Naka 4-speed automatic transmission. Naka auto parking brake, brake auto hold. Tapos naka 9-inch pa yung kanyang head unit na equipped ng SmartLink display audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Naka high grade fabric seat material. 45 liters fuel tank capacity. Pin type antenna and yung kanyang spoiler na may third brake light assist. Naka LED yung kanyang tail light T-shape. So grabe ka, sobrang elegante tignan. Na may reverse cam. Pagdating naman sa second row, napakaluwag ng ating interior. May power outlet, may USB. Separate ventilation ng aircon. Then pagdating naman po sa likod, sobrang luwag na ipo-full flat. So just imagine guys, for only 5,000 all-in down payment, promo extension from May 1 to May 15 only, strictly. So habol na kayo guys sa mga gusto mag-avail. Ang SRP nito is 1,216,000. All-in down payment 5,000. May monthly amortization na 24,812. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Avail na. Peace out, yo!